Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to install Apache Maven step by step in a simple way. Okay, so open any one of the browser. Let's say go with the Google Chrome. Now just start typing Apache Maven download. There you can see the download Apache Maven. Okay, this is the official website. Click it here. Then left side panel you can see that downloads option. Okay, so scroll it down. You can see that binary zip archive Apache Maven 3914. Just click over here. Okay, it's downloaded. Just go to here, just cut it. Now dev tools apps. Okay, paste it here. Okay, just unzip it, extract here, zip. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so before we install Apache Maven, make sure Java is already installed in your system. If you haven't installed it, you can check out my previous video on how to install JDK. I already explained step by step. To check Java version, Java version. Okay, my Java version is there. Check the Maven. Right, we still haven't set the path. Just copy this path, then go to edit environment variable, just under system variable. Okay, m2 o give the path. Okay, then again under system variable select the path, edit, click on new, just m2 just point slash bin. Okay, okay, okay. Now just type again maven-v. Okay, let me restart my command prompt. cmd mvn-v. Okay, you can see that Maven was successfully installed in my machine. Yeah, thanks for your time.
ఇలాంటి టెక్ టిప్స్, ఫ్యాక్ట్స్ అండ్ ట్యుటోరియల్ కోసం టెక్వికాను ఫాలో చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చితే లైక్ చేసి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.